Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dawson and today I'm showing you how I created this pink glitter eyeshadow look. Yeah, the inspiration was this J-Cat pigment that I got from Ada a while back. What color is this? I don't even know. Flushing Queen, that's the color. But anyway, I'm going to set my base with this Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. I want it to be pretty much my skin color around the brow bone area. And I'm just using my fingers to spread this out real quick. And now I'm setting that base color down with the Makeup Mekka Soft Focus Ultra Fine Smooth Powder. I'm just setting it with this, that way I can keep that natural brow bone color. And then I'm going to use the Abh Norvina collection palette. And the first shade I'm going in with is that A5 color. It is a very bright pink, and I want to make a cut crease, or basically I want this to be our transition shade. That's the word I'm looking for. But yeah, I'm using very small circular motions, back and forth motions, until it is blended the way I like it. And I just basically only used one, I dabbed it only once, and I used what pigment I had on the lids, and I kind of just blended it upwards. That way it would get, more blended. That way when I got to that brow bone area that I already basically set, it will blend even nicely in, more of a lighter pink shade. The next color I'm going in with is the A2 color, which is a very bright purple color. I thought this would work as a deeper, not pink, but just be a good color to go with the, J-Cat color, the pink pigment that I am going to be using today. Like I said, it's called Flushing Queen, or is it called Flushing? Yeah, Flushing Queen. And yeah, I'm just going right below the A5 color, and I'm kind of blending it upwards to the pink color, and it just sets really nicely that way. And now I'm going to pack on the outer corner the A3 color, which is a deeper purple color, that I thought would be a very nice color on the outside that is matte and would go perfectly with this pink glitter that I'll be using in a minute. After I got that all blended the way I wanted it to look, I'm using the Glam Light Icing eyeshadow base in the color White Frosting to set in the inner corner, I guess you would call it, and in the middle. I'm just making a cut crease out of this. So I pack it on with a flat shader brush or a flat packing brush. I do it on the lower lash line, and then I kind of open my eyes. Since my eyes are so hooded, I need to make my own little cut crease line, and I just dab it, little bitty dabs, and stroke it to even it out. And then I use a Q-tip to even up that line, and I blend it with my finger on the outside edge just to make a very smooth transition. Finally, I'm to the J-Cat Beauty Pigment in the color Flushing Queen, and I'm packing it on with the same flat brush as I was using for the eyeshadow base color, but then I go in with my finger, but this makes it where it's still kind of a cut crease but not so perfect. And I'm just packing it on with my finger until I get the, you know, effect, the color effect I want. And I kind of blend it out into that outer corner crease color. Now I'm going to use a newer product in my collection. It's called Black Opal, I think, or BLK/OPL. It stands for Black People, I'm pretty sure. So I'm guessing this is a black owned brand, but the color is blackout, and I need to get a pencil sharpener because I needed it for this one, but I didn't feel like it was necessary to get up for it. But yeah, it's a very nice eyeliner. I have been enjoying it. Now I'm going in with my Kokie Professional Stay Dry Waterproof Mascara. Oh no, sorry. Before that, I am using that NYX Professional eyeliner, felt tip eyeliner, and I really love this eyeliner. It works so perfectly. Now I'm going back in with the A5 color, and I'm doing the lower lash line. And it is a really nice daytime smoky type of pink shade color. I don't know how to explain it. It goes well with the look though, so I really enjoyed it. Then I went in with a like a bigger, fluffier blending brush just to blend out that A5 color a little bit more, and I just use what's on the brush to blend out. Now I'm going in with that Kokie Professional Stay Dry Waterproof Mascara. And unfortunately, I didn't have lashes to put on today because my girl took them all and put glue all over them and stuff. Her eyeshadow looks have been really cute here lately, but I don't appreciate her using all my lashes without my permission, but whatever. So I didn't have it for this look, but whatever. It still turned out good, and I just put some, like a couple layers of this mascara on, and I use my little heat and finger trick and curl them that way because I don't like eyelash curlers, or at least I haven't in the past, and I just don't feel the need to go get any more. And I wanted to do something with the inner corner, like the eye duct area, and I used the A1 color out of the Nevada palette, or is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. The ABH palette that I'm using. And I'm just putting that on my inner eye duct. And that's pretty much the eyeshadow look. I hope you enjoyed this pink glitter eyeshadow look using the J-Cat Beauty Pigment in the color Flushing Queen. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!